Jump rope is one of the best kept secrets in fitness for losing weight. I've been using it for over 15 years to stay lean and still love it. I'm gonna share with you the top benefits, a couple things to be careful of, and my favorite workouts to get started. Let's go. One of the biggest things that makes an exercise effective is if you enjoy it. Jump rope, being something that most people did as a kid, find it fun and engaging. Unlike most cardio where you simply end up grinding it out just to get it done, I find that my jump rope workouts are always enjoyable. There are so many different skills and footwork progressions you can learn, which keeps you excited to see what you can learn and do the next time. You can use this fat burning tool pretty much anywhere, inside or outside. I even take it on vacation so I can get a good sweat and stay on track with my fitness goals. Plus, it's just fun and even therapeutic jumping rope in a beautiful location. It's a low impact exercise. The repetitive light jumping is great for increasing bone density and strengthening your feet, ankles, and knees. I've had many people tell me that running is too much for them due to old ankle and knee injuries, but they can jump rope without issue and love it. So don't fear the impact, because if you're doing it right, there should be very little. And for the amount that there is, it's good for you. We all have busy lives, jobs, hobbies, and families. Workouts can be difficult to squeeze in. Well, not anymore. Jump rope is perfect for fast and effective workouts. Most of my workouts are only 15 to 30 minutes long, but they can be as short as 10 minutes when time is really short. In fact, did you know 10 minutes of jump rope is equivalent to running an 8-minute mile? It can be a challenge building up to a solid 10 minutes with jump rope, but I'll talk more about workouts in a second. Now for my favorite benefit. Jump rope builds all around athleticism. It keeps you on the balls of your feet, increases speed, agility, coordination, reaction time, and endurance. Whether I go mountain biking or jump in a game of basketball or beach volleyball on vacation, I'm always surprised how well I can keep up just from regularly using the jump rope. Now I need to tell you what to be careful of with jump rope. But before I do that, I gotta give a quick shout out to my favorite ropes by Elite Jumps. They are durable and have amazing feel. They even hooked you up with a 15% off code, so thanks to Elite Jumps for their support, and you can check them out, link down below. Now for the things to be careful of. First, it is a repetitive movement being performed at high repetitions. This can lead to a risk of overuse injuries like shin splints, jumper's knee, or tendonitis in your feet and Achilles. However, these issues can easily be avoided by doing a proper warm-up pre-workout and stretching your feet, ankles, and calves post-workout. I do my best to do this every single time I jump rope, and it has been incredibly effective. The next thing is there is a barrier to entry: coordination, or so people think. Unfortunately, many people write off jump rope as an option simply because they don't think they're coordinated enough, or they've tried, struggled, and quickly quit. Let me tell you, both coordination and jump rope are learned skills. Trust me, nobody picks up the rope the first time and is a natural. It's a game of learning the basics, consistency, and repetition. Don't let this stop you, because it's actually one of the best aspects of jump rope. You get to see and feel yourself get better and better each time you pick up the rope, which generates the excitement to come back and do it again and again. Now let's talk workouts. My favorites are interval style workouts, including 20-10, 30-15, 30-10, and 40-20 Tabata style workouts. You can do this as straight jump rope for 15 to 30 minutes, or as I mentioned earlier, the repetitive nature of jump rope can become a lot, so I personally like to mix in bodyweight exercises most of the time. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to do too much too fast. This will only lead to the overuse injuries I mentioned earlier. For beginners, I recommend starting with 30 seconds of jump rope followed by 15 seconds rest. I start you at 30 seconds because as a beginner, you're going to experience some trips, and it gives you the time to learn to untangle as quickly as possible and get started again. For starters, I would do this for only 5 to 10 minutes to see how your feet, ankles, and calves respond. You can always do another round, but always listen to your body. If you start to feel a bad pain that isn't just muscle burn, stop, take a day off, and reassess in a day or two. Just doing this will save you a lot of pain and keep you from having to take off weeks in order to recover. I have a beginner workout linked down below so you can follow along. Jump rope is great for burning fat, but you won't lose weight if you're not eating in a calorie deficit. Most people overcomplicate this, leading to burnout. Instead, continue to enjoy your food by adding these 5 simple habits I live by to lose weight and keep it off for forever.